Well, hello. My name is Ray. I'm with Team S.t.e.a.m. Today I'm at Flash Industrial Painting, and today I'm working out in the wind, getting some sandblasting going. The boys and I are working on an Oilfield cementing unit. This is one of those units that pulls up and puts pressurized cement down in a well to plug it. These guys will work year-round regardless of what the economy's doing. You see we've got some rust there. That's really nothing compared to what we got coming. These fenders are going to be green. Most of this is going to be cement tone gray. And these fenders will be green. Some of these other components will be green, like lime green, like a Kawasaki green. I think maybe these pipes are going to be green as well. I don't remember. I have to look back through my list. The first blasting session will involve all of the upstairs stuff. All of this stuff. You can see there's some heavy rust. Everything up in here. There should be a control unit right here, modular, but they're working on it. They'll be bringing it later. And then once I get all of this done up here, all blasted and done sufficiently, then we're going to pull up all this flooring because it all comes up. We'll pull up the flooring. That way I can get to the top of all the stuff beneath me and start carefully working my way down through all the rest of the componentry that this truck this complicated contains. Well, as I mentioned, it's a very windy day. Not quite as windy as yesterday or the day before, so I guess there's that. As you can see by my ladder already tipped over into the project. I'm going to start filtering some sand and start up on the top. I'm going to take this ladder, or this stairway, and I'm going to start all this stuff up on the top this afternoon. And that's where we're going to begin. All right, enough fun and games. Let's get to work. This morning I'm here at Flash Industrial Painting, and we're getting started on this truck that I sandblasted over the last 2 days. It was actually two different good size sessions over 2 days where I finally got this thing all sandblasted. We're going to be doing all the masking today, some of the cleanup, begin on some of the prep. This is going to be 2 different colors. I want to get the first one on hopefully tomorrow, and then the second one on maybe the following day. We'll see how that goes. Got an awful lot to do. Well, 3 colors if you include the wheels themselves. But we'll just have to see how it goes. I'm looking to bang this one out quick though. Masking up the hood, the cab, the sleeper, masking all that stuff up except for the fenders. And we'll be painting everything else. Everything that's not aluminum and not the cab and the rest of the hood is going to get painted.